Hello guys, I'm just showing you my father's mini garden. Those are yucca. See? He planted it all the way there. All the way to the end. This is going to be a lot of yucca. Buckwheat. And then he got some kajos, the black beans here, but they're old already, so what we call of this one is talongtong, yung second na bunga na lang niya, second batch. Where's my mother? Where did she go? Oh well. And he got some squash right here. Well, it's hot now, so they look miserable. But there's one right here. He also got some papaya tree plant right here. And another squash. Aray. Oh, she's there. She went to get some water. She went to fetch some water. Bukid-bukid eh. So, we're here. Ito yung bubon-bubon niya. Source of water niya. Ng pambinyag ng ng gulay-gulay niya dito. May tanim din siyang kamote. She got this from my aunt in Constancia. All over there. And other plot. May ano dito? May kalapasa dito. Look at that. Ay, puto. Yung bunga na yan. Yan. Take this. I'm gonna pluck this. Okay. Okra. Ganda na siya. Oh, tigas mo. And ito. Ay, wag kang ganyan. Ay, sandali lang po. I'll put it down first. Gosh, ang tigas. Tanim ako ng maraming okra. Sa kalabasa niya, meron din dito. Yung ito. Yung kuha namin. Nilapag na sa lupa. I'm going to get some sweet potato. Alam ng kamote. Yun, what's up? Potato tops. Masarap yan siya, guys. Kung alam niyo lang. Lalo ulan eh. fresh vegetables. Masarap siya ilagay sa sinabawan na isda or gulayan lang or i-blanch sa water and lagyan lang ng kamatis. Ganon. Tsaka asin, langgaw, suka di ay. Ito. Ayan ako. Cafe goods. Cafe goods. Alright guys, that's all for today.